going to show you how to use the channels in Photoshop to generate some pretty wild color. Starting off with 3 different images that I've already worked on in Camera Raw, and a blank image exactly the same size with exactly the same bit depth and DPI. That's important. Otherwise, the images will not copy well. So what we're going to do is we're going to take open up the channels here in Photoshop, and we're going to just take the turn off the green and the blue channel so that we only see the red channel. And I'm going to basically copy by going Command A, Command C, and then I can go Command D to delete that. And now I'm going to come over to my empty file, and in the red channel I'm going to paste, copy V, that image. Okay, can deselect that. Now I'll come over here to the second image. By the way, I just shot all these images just yesterday and today for this demo. I'm going to copy this time just the green channel. And then I'll come here into my new document and paste that in the green. Okay, deselect. I go to my third image, and I'm going to turn off everything except the blue channel. Interesting. And come here to my new file and paste that into the blue channel. And you can see, without any additional working on the image, I get this extremely vivid image which combines all 3 images. And had I pasted different colors from those 3 images, they would look quite different. So there's many permutations that you can get from just 3 files. You can also work on these images ahead of time and not even include the whole file. You can just use a selection of a file. Black and white images will also work so long as they are in RGB mode. I learned about this process from James Welling, who did a beautiful piece called Choreography using this method with black and white files. I'm going to add adjustment layer with the channel mixer, and what that does, it will, just like a sound mixer, it will mix the colors of these images. Oh, there we go. It's a little sluggish in different ways. Now, normally you would try to get about a 100 here, but for this kind of work, which is purely experimental, you can really, sky's the limit how you can mix this. Well, that's pretty interesting. And this is all happening non-destructively. I can also maybe slightly increase the contrast here, decrease the contrast. That's looking pretty interesting. Okay, so you can see what I did with the channel mixer here, just some slight changes. If I wanted to, I could also make a background copy, duplicate layer, and I could change that layer into a smart object. Now I could apply a filter, like a Camera Raw filter. and that opens up the image in Camera Raw. And now I have all the tools of, say, the color mixer and the basics panel, so forth. I can set my black point, my white point. I think the black point is way overdone here. Okay, maybe raise my highlights a little. Maybe not. There we go. And for example, here in the color mixer, I could bring down the luminance of that particular color, make it a little darker, bring in a little detail. I could maybe make this color a little lighter. I could work with the saturation, although that's already pretty significantly altered. I can change the hue if I like. That brings in some nice yellow there. So there you go. Sky's the limit what I can do here. And then I just press OK. And without affecting the original file, which is down here, you can see I've applied non-destructively all the Camera Raw elements. So that's a basic way of getting started with wild color using the channels and additional tools. I hope this has been informative, and most of all, I hope you have some fun playing with it. This is definitely not the type of thing for people who have an unalterable allegiance to realism. This is all about inviting the imagination to go places. So have a wonderful day, and let me know if you have any questions.